आइसक्रीम.
आइसक्रीम. ये कौन सा वेनिला आइसक्रीम? Added on top of that butter, all the masalas, all the vegetables, and this combines to be a pizza dosa. So guys, this is a pizza dosa. It's completely loaded with cheese and also their veggie. So hot. So guys, we are right now at the second last stage of trying a dish here in the Juhu food court. So now I'm planning to try something very different, a dosa. But when you're in Mumbai, if you've tried the dahi puri, then I would request you should also try the dosa out here. So anywhere in Mumbai. So let's see what varieties they have, and this is the menu. I'll just show you the menu right now. So we are at the Dhanlakshmi South Indian food. So as it's South Indian, so let's see if they do really have the South Indian dishes over here. So you can pause the screen, you can find the rates over here. So guys, we are going to try the pizza dosa, which is for 270 rupees. So let's ask him to make. Bhai, ek pizza dosa banaiye. So let's see the making of their pizza dosa what we have ordered. It's a different dosa which I have never tried. I've always heard about it. So thought of trying it over here in Juhu. So let's see the pizza dosa. तो ये कब से है भाई दुकान यहाँ पे धनलक्ष्मी? कितना टाइम हो गया? 15 साल हो गए. तो 365 डेज आपका भी चालू रहता है क्या छुट्टी रहता है? 365. ये क्या ऐड किया भाई?
ऑनियन है, टमाटर है, कैप्सिकम है.
ऑनियन, टमाटो, कैप्सिकम,
चिली सॉस,
चिली सॉस,
टमाटो सॉस,
टमाटो सॉस, शेजवान चटनी, बटर. आप कौन सा बटर यूज़ करते हो भाई?
अमूल.
ओनली अमूल. वेरी गुड. एज वी सी दैट दे ओनली यूज अमूल बटर over here. So I have been to all the stalls in Juhu. They almost everyone use Amul butter. So which I see very good over here. They have added coriander, salt. ये कौन सा मसाला है?
ये गन पाउडर.
Gun powder. So gun powder also is added into the pizza dosa over here. So we are having a smash around so that the batter gets combined and you have a subtle and a similar taste of each and every bite you take in your mouth. So we are cutting into a pizza shape so that this dosa looks like a pizza. ये कौन सा चीज़ ऐड कर रहे हैं?
ये गोवर्धन है.
Govardhan. Very nice. So they're using Govardhan cheese. So this will be completely loaded with cheese, added on top of that butter, all the masalas, all the vegetables, and this combines to be a pizza dosa. Looks very delicious. So guys, this is the pizza dosa from the Dhanlakshmi dosa center. All these stalls here in Juhu, they all are pure veg, and you will get mostly they prepare in Govardhan cheese and the Amul butter over here. So any point of time guys, if you're not aware about what food do you get here in Juhu food court, it's completely veg everywhere you go. So guys, this is the pizza dosa. Looks like a pizza itself. So guys, let's try the pizza dosa out here from the Dhanlakshmi Pure Veg, the dosa center, South Indian dosa center. And let me tell you guys a differentiate about the, as far as I've seen right now with while touching the dosa over here. So the normal dosa which you buy, the crispy one which has masala into it, the batter is a little bit thin. But if you're ordering the pizza dosa, you get the batter thick so that you can hold it into your hand. So guys, this is a pizza dosa. It's completely loaded with cheese and also their veggies. So let's give it a try, guys. Cheers. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe, guys. Guys, let me tell you one thing. It's said to be as a pizza or dosa, but if you're expecting to be 100% pizza, so please guys, this is a dosa. It's a fusion of a dosa and a pizza. So if you are coming with your mindset that you're going to get only a pizza over here, so don't come, because in a pizza you get mozzarella cheese added to it, but this is just processed cheese. But let me tell you, if you're coming with an expectation of having a 50%, as I said, fusion of a dosa and a pizza, I guarantee you guys that this would be the best option where you can try out the pizza dosa from the Dhanlaxmi Dosa Center. Very good. I'm going to try it as a roll. Let's try it with the chutney. So the chutney, I'm going to dip it in the typical South Indian dish which each and everywhere we like. The tomato chutney, it be spicy, it be like tanginess into it. So let's try with the tomato over here. Guys, let me tell you one thing. The tomato chutney is way good and way different. It's not like on the streets which we eat that medu vada, the idli, the anna comes and sell. So it's not that kind of spicier. It's subtle. It's very good. Let's have the sambar and let's see if the sambar is good or not. Oh ho! Took me to Chennai right now, guys. Chennai is here in Juhu. Chutney is like it's similar to where you can find everywhere, but I must tell you guys, the tomato chutney and the sambar will take you to Chennai. I bet you. And a thumbs up for this guy. Thank you. So this is a filter coffee, guys. क्या प्राइस है फिल्टर कॉफ़ी का? 70 rupees. So it's 70 rupees for this filter coffee. So guys, this is a filter coffee. So hot. It's smelling very nice. So we're going to try the filter coffee, guys. It is not at all Nescafe, guys, so it is something different. So filter coffee is coffee which comes from the south side. It is not Nescafe what we think, do wala sachet. This is something very different. We can come down and try the filter coffee here at Dhanlaxmi Fast Food, and this is very different to the regular coffee which we drink in our day-to-day life. It is tasting different, and the coffee beans which is blended into this is very different. The taste originates from the south of India. So guys, very nice one. So this might, like, it would be 60% the same taste what the Nescafe has, but this is much delicious than the Nescafe which they provide. I'm sorry guys, but as per as my experience, what I'm drinking right now, what I've drank previously, this is the better version than the Nescafe one. We are on to a last session of this food tour here in Juhu. So let me tell you one thing about this beautiful place here in Mumbai, which is very famous for its beach. As I said, Juhu Beach. So here you will find multiple people of multiple castes, friends, families, and also loved ones. In addition to this, here you will find the richest people coming on the streets to have food, concluded with the people who are poor and also the middle class people like us. So this is a place here in Mumbai which we call the place of binding each and every caste and each and every personality together. And this is what I like many things about Mumbai, and this adds to my vlog, guys. It's a very beautiful day out here today. If you can see, it's almost 6:20 right now in my watch. But if you see the complete Juhu Beach, you'll find crowd everywhere, besides the beach, inside the sea, enjoying themselves. Today is Wednesday. This is the situation out here in Juhu Beach. So guys, imagine that if this would be a Saturday or a Sunday, crowd over here would be the most crowd which you would never see in your lifetime. So guys, a beautiful place. Come here, gain the hospitality, try some food. I understand it's a little bit on the costlier side, but it's a one-time traveling here to Juhu Beach. And for people who like to travel, once come down here, because many people who stay in Mumbai as well, they don't visit this place thinking it's much crowded. But yes guys, you'll find more people and also you'll enjoy your day. It's not like you don't have place here to enjoy. You can sit down, chill like people sitting over here. Here at the Tulja Bhavani Gola Center. So bhai, ek mango gola banai hai. So we are going to try here the mango gola. So as it's season of mangoes, so I thought of trying a mango gola over here. So let's see how they prepare the mango gola. This is the mango gola which we have bought from the Tulja Bhavani Gola Center. So let's try this. So see, dripping. So let's quench our thirst in this hot summer, guys. It's not tasting like mango, but if I want to explain you the taste of how it's tasting, have you ever tried that mango syrup? It comes like in a 150 or 200 rupees bottle. So they have added that syrup into this. It's not completely like mango, but the price for 70 rupees, it's okay. Like if you want to have something cold in this hot weather, guys. But this is a normal mango gola which I am trying over here. This is a mango one, which is normal, but they have variations, so you can try the variations. It might be better than this. So as far as my taste, I did not like it, but it's cold as said for 70 rupees over here. It's the cheapest thing which I have had here in Juhu food cart. So 70 rupees to have something cold, it's fine, it's okay. So we are having the Kashmiri Gulab Faluda. I don't like the noodles, but I've told him to add the sabja. So if you don't want the noodles, you can tell them. Okay? As a condensed milk. ठीक है? ये गुलाब. ये रोज़ा. दूध.
Milk, ice cream.
आइसक्रीम. ये कौन सा वेनिला आइसक्रीम? Thank you. So this is the rose vanilla faluda. I don't like the noodles anytime in my faluda, so I told them not to put that noodles. So if you don't want the noodles, as you are like me, then you can tell them they'll not put it for you. It's the same quantity, but if you can see inside the faluda, there are pieces of rose added into it, and also they have added a touch of ruh afza along with condensed milk, malai and vanilla ice cream as well. So this is the cost of 170 rupees. It's from the same place where we had the gola, the mango gola, the Tulja Bhavani Gola Center. So you can have this over there, and let's try their faluda. Too chilled, good for the summer heat, and this is way much better than the gola what we ate. Frankly speaking, guys, come down and try at least this dish and I give a thumbs up for this. The minimal price is 170, which I saw in their menu for the Faluda over here. So it's a little bit costly depending on the area. Jew, I feel the rate is fine, and the quantity which they gave in this big glass, it's okay. But the taste, talking about the taste, it's delicious. Didn't expect from this place because I just wanted to try something else apart from that gola, but this turned out to be out of my expectation and it is really very good, guys. Come and try over here. Thank you. So this was for it today, guys, and if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel so that you get such kind of content. And I'm signing off from Jew right now, and hope to see you guys again with a new series of food, with a new place and with new food, guys. So फिर मिलते हैं.